Hi Kickstarter, my name is Michiel. I'd like to present to you the Mamba 3D. Two years ago I saw my first 3D printer and I was immediately intrigued by all the possibilities 3D printing could give you. So I started to build my own printer, and after seeing the prints that came off of the printer, the excitement was even greater than before. It was the first time I could physically produce products at home. For the last 10 years I worked in the industrial automation as an engineer. I designed electronics, software and mechanical designs. Recollecting what was needed to build my first printer and to start using it, I noticed you need some technical skills to complete it and to use it. So with that in mind, I wanted to design a printer that was easy to build and easy to use. So we broke down the printer to its basics, just to focus on high precision, high speed and high quality. The printer is made out of an aluminum frame. It's an open source hardware frame, and together with the laser cut metal plates it makes a rigid printer. We designed a custom extruder drive for the printer, so it is easy to change your filament. You just push back the lever, take your old filament out, put new one in and start printing again in seconds. So now that our third prototype is ready and finally meets our high expectations, we need your help to not only take it into production, but also share your experience with it. Be part of our community to exchange that experience and give us good ideas to even develop the printer further. So when you support us, you get a complete building kit to start building your own 3D printer. The kit contains all the electronics, metal parts and screws. We provide you with a step-by-step manual, so you can build your printer in just a couple of hours. And together with it you get a filament sample package, so you can start printing right away. Step into the world of 3D printing. Start printing your own objects and get inspired by all the great possibilities. Make your pledge today and support us in reaching our goal.
Hello, I'm Ben. My friend Alex and I set up a company called Meiku. We want to change the way our things are made, and we're really excited about showing it to you today.
Well, we think anyone who wants to should be able to make their own things. So we're taking tools that you'd usually find in a factory, making small, simple versions of them. And today, we're releasing our first one.
Meet the Meiku Formbox. It's a factory that fits on your tabletop. It works with any vacuum cleaner and a whole selection of different materials. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The Formbox molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop, so you can bring your first collection of products to life. Start a business from your kitchen table. Use everyday items to customize your creations. Work with different materials, even chocolate, so you can make professional grade products good enough to eat. Sometimes you don't want to design something from scratch. Explore our online library of projects to see what other makers around the world are sharing. Even use maker machines like your 3D printer with the Formbox. Multiply versions of your prototypes without the weight, and get a factory level of finish from your home or studio. We've meticulously designed the Formbox to fit with your life and your ambitions. Making should be simple and not take much time, so you can push the boundaries of what you can make for your customers, your friends, and for people all over the world. We've been testing it with makers and small businesses for the past year and developed a series of prototypes to get to a design we think you'll love. We're working with a great factory. We just need enough orders to start the first production run. And with your help, we can get the Formbox into the hands of makers everywhere.
We want to bring people closer to how their things are made and give them the tools that they need to create their own things, to turn their ideas into reality. And we need you with us to make this happen.
We think you're going to love making stuff with the Formbox. You can pre-order yours on the Kickstarter page today. There's a bunch of different rewards to choose from. Just pick one that's right for you. And it's the first machine that we want to build out of many. So with your support, hopefully we'll be able to make something amazing together.
Look what I made. A cat, a squirrel, a bunny, and the octopus. And I printed it all by myself.
Kids today are becoming empowered by bringing their imagination to life. The excitement is motivating kids to work together, to be creative, and to not be afraid of mistakes. Finally, we have an educational tool that can be used almost anywhere. And the best part is, kids love it.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm an arts teacher. I'm happy to introduce Mini Toy. It's the world's first kid-friendly 3D printer. It's cute, it's safe, and it's excellent for the learning experience of children. And it's very affordable.
The Mini Toy app has hundreds of different 3D models, so it's easy for your kids to find the object they want to print. Creating and learning has never been this fun.
We love the design of the 3D printer. The fact that the mechanical parts are hidden makes it really kid-friendly. The different materials, like soft PLA and the FlexiPlate, offers a variety of textures, making the learning experience a lot more dynamic. We also made sure that printing is easy with one-touch printing. We've been developing the prototype for more than 1 year. With our team of dedicated engineers, we were able to accumulate 2 registered patents and 10 patent-pending technologies to build the safest and first ever kid-friendly desktop 3D printer.
It's pretty cool because you can make many things with it, and by many I mean almost everything.
Parents everywhere can feel better knowing that their child can understand and use this technology that's already changing the world.
We are launching Mini Toy here at Kickstarter in hope that you can help support our campaign. By backing us, we can expand the STEAM community platform, widely supply the Mini Toy, and create more and more open libraries of 3D models for you and your family and your kids to learn, explore, and play for fun.
Buy the Mini Toy today on Kickstarter and see how your kids play it smart.
3D printing is great, but often inaccessible. Until now, 3D printers have cost over $1,000, and that's just for the most basic versions. At Anvil, we've set out to change all of this. Our 3D printer is easy to use, and at a $299 price point, it's affordable enough that any family can own it. But most importantly, the print quality is incredible. We've sought out to provide the best user experience of any 3D printer. Unlike other tricky and hard-to-use 3D printers, Anvil is ridiculously user-friendly. For example, it's incredibly easy to load. No more complicated and inconvenient insertion processes like traditional 3D printers. Even better, all you need to do to operate Anvil is press a single button. We've designed our printer with an enclosed compartment so you're protected from any heat-related injuries. We've designed every feature with you in mind so that you can create anything you can imagine without any training or previous knowledge of 3D printing. Our printer allows you to design anything using our app. We've built the software to look like Legos. You put your design together on an iPad using blocks and then print your design. Our app is the key to turning your ideas into reality. And we've made sure it's easy enough for everyone to use without any prior experience. As long as you have access to the internet, you can control your Anvil 3D printer. Now you don't have to wait until you get home to make your great idea come to life. It's as simple as opening up the app and clicking print. You'll never be caught unprepared again. If you're thinking of something you're missing, just print it.
We've come this far to make our 3D printer alive, but we cannot do it alone. Now we are running our Kickstarter campaign to help offset the manufacturing cost and deliver them to you. If you believe in Anvil, which we hope you do, please contribute to our Kickstarter campaign and share this with anyone that you think has something great to create.
The world is at your fingertips with the Anvil 3D printer. Watch your imagination come to life.
What if you could, with a few clicks of your mouse, 3D print a toy for your child in the comforts of your own home? What if you could create gifts for your friends in minutes? Introducing the 101 Hero Mini 3D Printer, the most affordable 3D printer in the world. We've worked with the best in the industry to ensure a compact and easy-to-use design. Simply turn it on, insert a memory card, and print anything imaginable. The beauty of the 101 Hero Mini is in its simplicity. All you have to do is download one of thousands of lab-tested G-code files from our website, save it to your SD card, and make it real with one touch. We think that everyone should have access to 3D printing technology, and it's for this reason that we've made the 101 Hero Mini, the most affordable way to 3D print. The Hero Mini uses a new technology to drive the plastic extruding motor, and we've come up with many innovations in the structure and design of the printer itself. With these adaptations, you're able to have the same functionality of a high-end 3D printer, but for a fraction of the cost. Meanwhile, we've also worked hard to ensure a safe design, so the 101 Hero Mini can be enjoyed by the young and old alike. The 101 Hero Mini represents an entirely new medium for kids, engineers, artists, and makers.